everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me pan searing trout. This is my first time ever making trout. I'm really wondering how trout tastes. So I'm about to show you guys how trout tastes. I'm going to be pan searing it, okay? What I have already did, it was a fillet. It was really long. We got it from Sam's. What I wind up doing is I cut it in half and I cleaned it and I seasoned it. I seasoned it front and back with whatever seasoning you like. Some people use lemon. I'm not into lemon. I used my favorite seasoning, which is my Lawry's garlic salt. Love it, love it, love it. So I already seasoned it, washed it, cut it, and now I am about to get some oil. I'm going to be using some canola oil, and I'm going to pan fry it. What you want to do is go ahead and pan fry it for about 10 minutes on each. I'm going to say maybe about 6 to 7. I'm gonna say 10 minutes on each side, but you can really be able to tell once it starts looking like it's cooked on each side, then you know it's done. Let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to put some, like I said, some canola inside of the skillet. And it does not take much, so don't use a whole lot, okay? You go ahead and turn your eye on, like 8, not too high, not too low. Make sure all the grease is. And what I am doing on this side, I'm actually making some broccoli and cheese rice. I just wanted to just do something different. I always make the same stuff, salad, baked potato. So I decided on making broccoli and rice, okay? You can make whatever your little heart fancy with this trout. And what I have already done too is I have gotten a plate with some paper towels. So once it's done, I can just go ahead and put it inside of the plate. Okay, just lay it right in there, nice and neat. Don't throw it in there, lay it in there. And this kind of reminds me of salmon, like the way it feels. Like I said, this will be my first time trying trout. So we're trying this together, y'all. And like I told you guys, go ahead and let it simmer on both sides. Get your fork, lay them accordingly. And you can be able to tell, like I said, when they are crispy. Just take a look at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and let these cook, and I'll be back once it's time for me to turn it over. I'm just going to move it around a little bit just to make sure it's not sticking. Like I said, you don't have to use a whole bunch of grease, and be very gentle with it, because I can tell this is a type of fish that can really flake up quick. So be very gentle with it and use your spatula, okay? Go ahead and turn it over. And what you're going to use is a spatula and a spoon. Because like I said, this is the type of fish that most definitely can break up fast. So use a spatula and a spoon. And do it slowly. I'm going to go ahead and get them all turned over. Okay guys, they are all turned over. I'm about to cook this side. Again, for maybe about 9 to 10 minutes. You can be able to tell when it looks like it is cooked. And then you'll know that you have beautiful pan seared trout. And I'm also going to attach a video of how to make the best rice ever, white rice, cooked perfect. Because you know when you cook in white rice, you got to cook it down to a science. I'm going to show you how to do that. I will include it in the video description box, okay? And just make sure you just move it around a little bit. Make sure it ain't burning at the bottom. Like I said, it does not take a lot of oil, okay? Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get it out. Let's turn her over, take a look at her. Be gentle, like I told you. Looking beautiful. Super good. Ooh. Super good. And be gentle. Like I said, flip her back over. And be gentle putting her on the plate. Because presentation is everything, y'all. Take it slow. There we go. I can go ahead and get this all on this plate, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here we go. It smells and looks perfect. What I'm going to do is I am going to make some garlic butter as well as garlic, put some little parsley in it, and I'm going to just pour it on top. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay guys, here's the butter. I'm going to put the butter in one of these. I'm going to put some parsley inside there and put it in the microwave. parsley. Let's put a little bit in there. Y'all see all my seasonings back there? Hopefully y'all got a whole cabinet full of seasonings to make things taste better. Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Okay, it's out the microwave. We just stir it a little bit, get that parsley and that butter all mixed up. There we go. And I'm also gonna put a little bit of garlic in it. Okay, so I have some minced garlic. Go ahead and put a couple things of this inside of there. Okay, just make sure you taste it before you put it on your fish. Okay, we'll just go ahead and just pour a little bit of this on there. It don't take much, and they can pour it on too when they want some too. So there we go, guys. Pan seared, garlic lemon. I mean, not lemon, garlic, butter, trout. Let me know, guys, if you make this, okay? Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out more of my playlists. Be blessed, guys, and I'll chat with you later. Bye. I just wanted to show you my homemade broccoli and cheese rice. So everything is done. Let me know, guys, if you make it, okay? Take care. Be blessed, guys. Bye.